Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Alicia if you're new to my channel. If you're not new to my channel, thank you for coming back. So today I'm reviewing this 360 wig I received from Superbwigs. It is a beautiful curly 360 wig. If you guys want to see me install this and see what comes in the packaging, please continue to watch. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. I'll leave my Instagram right here so you can follow me there. So you can participate on my polls, question answers, giveaways, everything I have going on my Instagram. Thank you so much for coming to my channel and let's get started. Okay, so today we are working with Superbwigs. The packaging will look like this when you receive it, and let me show you guys what comes inside. All right, so you're gonna get some adjustable straps, a hair tie, and a wig caps. And then of course the wig. Okay, so I am working with a 360 wig today, which this is my first time working with one of these, so we'll see how this goes. And I watched some videos on it and it looks like you need 2 people and I only have me. So it is a curly wig. It does have some parting here, which looks really good. This is what the inside looks like. You got 4 combs in there, adjustable straps. I'm gonna try my best to install this today. I believe this is 20 inches. But I will have all the details to this wig in the description box for you. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. I'm going to put some foundation on the parting and cut the lace. We will install this beauty. All right, I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, I am all done styling this hair. I have to say I had the worst time like trying to install the back, because I believe it's a two-person job, because I cannot see anything back there. I cannot see anything back there, and so when I'm like spraying and cutting and trying to set, it's just like not working out. So I pulled some hairs like down to try to like disguise it, but like honestly it looks crazy. Let me show you guys the back real quick. It looks like this, but the hair overall is really pretty. The curls are really cute. I just put it in this cute little bun, and I left some little bang pieces out and some sideburns. I thought that would be cute. The perimeter like laid really good in the front. Obviously you can see it looks so good. But the back I just couldn't see, so it was just like a dub back there. But the hair was really soft and curly. I loved it a lot. Make sure you guys check out the description box for all the details on this wig. Please feel free to ask any questions in the description box as well. But all I really have to say is, if you want a 360 wig, you are going to need a second person to help you install the back part. It was just like impossible for me to do it by myself, so definitely have somebody else on deck that can help you lay the back of the hair. Thank you so much for coming to my channel. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.